Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's check in for some market movers now with our very own Nora Melinda. Nora, what do you have for us?
Well, Paul and Scarlett, there is lots to keep an eye on the market. Let's look at shares of Oracle. That's ticker ORCL. Of course, we know this is a stock that's really been in focus quite a bit in recent weeks. It nearly doubled in value in this year alone. What we're looking at today is the news that it's looking to raise $15 billion from the U.S. investment grade bond market today. Essentially, it's wanting to ramp up its spending to meet the needs that we're really seeing as it relates to the AI boom, the optimism there. It's selling its debt in as many as 7 parts, and this would actually include a rare 40-year bond. So lots that Wall Street is looking at right now. Shares are down about as much as 3.5% in trading today. But I mean, of course, we know that this has just been such a topical name. Stock up about 83% year to date. But let's move over into Alibaba here. That's ticker BABA. We're seeing shares soaring, and this is after it hiked its AI budget past $50 billion. So AI is clearly the story here, Scarlett and Paul. Lots of AI optimism here. And so we are seeing the stock up for its highest intraday level since October of 2021. Really ripping here. Stock up as much as 10%. The CEO is saying that he anticipates overall investment in AI accelerating to some $4 trillion worldwide over the next 5 years. And so it seems as though Alibaba is going to need to keep up with that trajectory here. And so lots of optimism that we're seeing in the market. Stock is up about 113% year to date. But I did want to end things off with Adobe. That's ticker ADBE here. We're seeing shares slipping down as much as 3.6% in trading today, but pairing a little bit now, down about 3% right now. This is after Morgan Stanley cut the stock to equal weight from overweight. Essentially, they're talking about decelerating digital media annual recurring revenue. As you think about recurring revenue, of course, this is really important for any company, but with Adobe in particular, they're really thinking about the outsized concern on Adobe's ability to prove that generative AI net expansive is to its total opportunity here. So we're seeing shares of the company down about 21% so far this year. But of course, this downgrade from Morgan Stanley is what's pressuring the stock today.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.